What's up, guys? So we're not at the lake yet, but I wanted to show you something. I stopped here before, and this is actually a really cool thing. It's an old historic thing that I thought I'd put on camera for you guys. So back in the day, when they used to make the lake that I'm going to, they used to, you know, haul logs off and stuff like that. So what we have here is the old log flume. So basically what it is back in the day, they used to fill this up with water, and they used to carry the logs all the way from the lake to the town. So it's now part of PG&E's product, but so they used to actually float the logs all the way down. So this goes all the way down to town. And I thought it was a pretty cool thing to show on camera. Of course, it's out of commission. It's been out of commission for years, but just a really cool thing that I'd show you guys. But yeah, so we're not too far from the lake. We're gonna be at the lake shortly. So yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, it is, I think, like 46, 43, 44 degrees. So hopefully fishing is going to be good today. I'm really hoping fishing is going to be good today. And another reason why I wanted to stop, I wanted Badger to have his little free time. How Badger be? What you do, Bubbles? What you do, Bubbles? What you doing? Are you having fun? He's just running around like crazy. Anyways, guys, so next time you see me, we'll be at the lake, and yeah, hopefully catch the fish, and we're gonna be fishing. So yep, see you guys in a bit. What is up, everyone? We are here, finally here. So we are currently walking to our spot. There's a spot I've always wanted to try across the other side of the dam, which is a good little walk. So we're going to be going to that point where the trees come out in front of us. But overall, the lake's not too low. Currently I have a spinner bait for bass, which eventually I'm going to change out. But I might end up throwing that because it's a little windy. So the wind's kind of hitting this bank over here where I'm going to be fishing at. So I might actually throw the spinner bait a little bit and see what happens. Because the area that I'm going to is a pretty deep section of the lake. It's last time I was on the lake with the boat out there where I'm going, it was like 90-80 feet. It's not a very deep lake, so we're gonna hopefully get some action today for you guys. Hopefully catch maybe a bass or maybe some trout. And yeah, so gonna walk a little bit, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Where you going? What you doing? Look at that happy boy. What you doing, stinker butt? You having fun? You finally get to be in the cold? He loves it in the mountains, guys. He absolutely loves it up here. Whew, it's a good little exercise. I should probably be trying a spinnerbait down here. I think I might walk down here. There's that little platform right there. I might try throwing the spinnerbait out there for a minute. See what happens. A little steep. Ooh, it's pretty steep. This might actually be a good fishing spot, to be honest. I might just fish here. Why not use this dock to my advantage? Just gotta walk quietly so I don't have vibrations in the water. But I like this. It's gonna be nice and quiet. Of course, Badger, here comes Badger. Shh, gotta be quiet, Bubbles. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet, Bubbles. Yeah, I think I might try this casting spinnerbait. Let's try the spinnerbait. Let's try the spinnerbait for a minute. fish with a spinnerbait yet. I really would love to. It'd be nice to catch a bass, like. But we're gonna try. See what we can do. See what we can do. Gotta get one to bite. Come on, guys, I gotta catch one. Not gonna give up on this yet. Pretty deep hole, so I would think they would be here, considering the wind. Of course, I'm probably not, like I said, I'm probably not using the right color. Sorry to be looking for. What are you doing? What are you doing, stinker butt? Ugh. Go ahead. Oh, go ahead. Whoop. That was a lot further than I thought it was going to be. Whew. Guys, so we're gonna switch it out. I cut the other one off. I'm gonna Carolina rig this, so I need to grab another weight. I'm gonna go with kind of more a heavier weight. I don't usually tend to go with the heavier weight, but considering that I'm using a casting reel and I'm not very good at casting these things with regular power bait. Great, not, oh, there it is. So kind of rig this the best I can, and hopefully it's going to be enough weight. I'm going to do the palmer knot yet again, take the line, feed it through itself, if I can even do that. There we go. Pull that in a loop, tie that in a knot. There we go. Tighten that, grab the swivel, put it through the loop, and pull. Alright, so that's ready. I'm hoping to catch a fish for you guys today because I want to do a catch and cook. At least that is the plan, is to do a catch and cook. So hopefully we'll be having some fish a little bit later. I wanted to just throw that that spinner bait, even though it's probably not the right place and the right time and all that, but I said, it was tied on, so why not? So anyways, I'm gonna get and do a fisherman's knot for the leader. I'm gonna spin that a few times. Man, what a beautiful day. So we're going to cut that excess off. good on that end. And then we're gonna take that treble hook and do the same thing. We're gonna do a Palmer's knot. So it's honestly, the fisherman's knot's easy, but I've had a lot less break-offs and a lot less slips with this style tying. It's just my preference, is, you know, over, I used to do fisherman's knot over everything, but I've noticed that I've had some occasions where my fish has slipped, or my hook has slipped off, and this way it's like almost impossible for the hook to slip off, because when you loop it around, that line is tied off to that loop. And there we go. We have Carolina rig set up for power bait. I wish I was fly fishing. By the way, guys, I am planning a fly fishing video too. I haven't fly fished in quite a while. I have the pole at my dad's and everything. I just have to go out and do it. I'm kind of waiting for the season. I think the streams and stuff are actually closed right now. So yeah. All right, then I'm gonna grab rainbow power bait. I'm gonna grab just a little bit, enough just to cover the hook. And by the way, guys, if you're familiar with the upper lakes in California, where I'm from, which, you know, central area, the higher altitude lakes, rainbow sparkle and orange sparkle are legit money. I've never had any bad luck with orange or rainbow. I've always had luck with it. So we're gonna curl it up in a ball, and then we're just gonna stick that onto the hook. I usually just ball it up first and then put it on the hook. It just makes it putting on the hook easy. And then you're gonna completely cover that hook as best as you can, and try to look for cracks and stuff in the power bait. I mean, if you have a couple, that's okay. It just makes it pack on better. So there's your power bait on your hook. All right. So let's go ahead and get this out there. Hopefully it's gonna be enough weight. It feels like it's gonna be enough weight to cast. So we're just gonna yank this out. Let's put it out toward this way. Put my pole there. All right, so let's get this out. Not very far, but it's very deep out there. Actually, I need to loosen my drag a little bit more, to be honest. All right, we're gonna let that go until it drops to the bottom, which I know it's very deep here. Okay, we are on the bottom, guys. So then we're just gonna set our pole down. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Do I need to do the fish dance again? Gotta do the fish dance. Yeah, I gotta do the fish dance.
Yeah, you're doing the fish dance, all right.
Come on, do the fish dance. Come on, do the fish dance. Alright, guys. When we move spots, we just kind of move down the bank a little bit, and trying a different locations. So I'm out here somewhere. We got a nice little kind of shallow draw that comes out. I know for a fact that this area out here is kind of shallow. There's like a shallow kind of ridge that goes out and across from previous times in the boat. And then my big one I caught that was like 3 pounds or something like that, it was a brown, was like right out here somewhere. So yeah, but like I said, so far there hasn't been any action. Just been relaxing. Badger, oh, there he is. I don't know why he's stressed about it, but what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, stinker butt? What you doing, baby boy? Huh? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? You chilling? You having a good time there, bubs? Huh? You having a good time? So yeah, so we're just gonna chill here for a little bit longer and try this bait out. And if worst case, we're gonna switch out baits, try a different kind of power bait and see what happens. I should have brought the worms, but I didn't have any bobbers, and I'm not a really big bobber fisher. So, yep. Oh, and by the way, guys, so the lake that I'm at now is the lake that I'm actually going to be trolling, hopefully by next week. There's supposed to be like some actual cold weather and snow coming in on Tuesday, so we had planned to go fishing on Tuesday, but we don't know exactly what's the plan for that. If it does snow, we actually thought about even doing a video in the snow and doing all that sorts of stuff. So yeah, so I'm not going to give the location, the name of the lake yet, because that's going to be on the next video when we go trolling. And like I said, right now I'm just kind of out here just enjoying the day. I wanted to get out of town. It was my day off. So here I am, shore fishing. But anyways, if anything happens, guys, I'll turn the camera on and hopefully we get some action soon. All right, guys, we're moving spots. Come on, Badger B, let's go. All right, so we're gonna walk further down the bank. Whoop. Try the more shallower area. Apparently they don't like the deep right now. I do know there's a good section back here. It's a little more on the shallower side, but oh, got my weight tangled around my pole. Looks like we even got like a little dock back here. The good thing is I can walk up through this forest, I think, to get back. We're getting it, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Try it out and see how it goes. Guess we got a little dock to put our stuff on, so that's kind of nice. A little free floating barge. All right, just gonna use a stick. I'm gonna throw this bad boy out, and hopefully we get something. I know it's not very deep here. I know it's a pretty shallow. Well, it's not too shallow. It's a little deep. Sorry guys, nothing yet. I'm about to move. There's actually a decent walk that I want to do, but back in here, there's actually a creek flowing in, and I'm thinking maybe the trout are going to be more around there. There's a lot of ducks in the area though, so that's going to kind of be sketch. But there is a lot of moving water coming in, so I might go try over there for a bit, because I haven't got anything here. Try over there for a bit, and if we don't get nothing, we might jot over to the other side of the lake, go fish over where the main creek comes in and try over there and see if we get any luck over there. But so far we haven't got nothing, but enjoying the day. I'm sitting here drinking my brew and just enjoying the scenery. You know, I'm just glad to finally be up kind of semi-high altitude instead of a low altitude lake. Gorgeous, gorgeous day, guys. I mean, it is just absolutely a gorgeous day. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, here we go. We're on our way back on this journey. Another adventure of walking the banks of the lake. You know, I thought about it and I was like, you know what? During the spring and summer, this would be a killer. I mean, a killer bass spot, because it is super shallow back here. There's a lot of sand, and this just looks absolute prime. I mean, it just looks prime. As you can see the shallow of the water. I mean, there's just absolutely a ton of areas where you can see where they bed, and yeah. Question is, can I get across? Yeah, I can. So this is actually the emptiest I've seen it. I've never seen the spillway actually empty. When I was here, the spillway was filled up all the way to the barricades up there. So it's actually pretty low. I'm gonna look and see if I can find any bass fishing gear while I'm walking, because like I said, this is prime time to start looking for gear on the logs and the trees. Never know, man, you can find some awesome free bass gear. That's what happened to me when we went trolling last time. Oh, see, here's some line. Some line, doesn't look like anything's attached to it though. I don't think. Got a bunch of line stuck in this tree. You see the fishing line, but I don't see anything really. I don't think anything's there. Yeah, another reason why I wanted to come back here to you guys is I actually lost the lure back in this cove a while back, and I'm kind of curious to see if it's still there. Because if it's still there, that would be cool, because it wasn't a super cheap lure. So I'm kind of hoping it's still there. And I gotta make sure I don't forget my backpack either, my jacket, because I left my jacket over there. Oh, here's a good tree for lures. And it's actually good too to see. It's actually good to see when the water level's down, because you can see what the terrain looks like and stuff. So when the water is up, you'll be able to spot and know where all these locations are. And here's a big old log, big old tree. Just kind of quickly glancing. I don't see nothing, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I lost my lure. I lost my lure somewhere in here, or was it further back? I think it was actually. It was somewhere around here, but I lost my lure. Nice little creek. See if we see any fish. That should be good to drop something in there. This would be good for like. Whoa! Almost fell. See, this would be good for when got like a worm. But I'm surprisingly don't see anything swimming around. I don't even see like any minnows or small fish. I don't see anything. I mean, it is pretty shallow, but yeah, I don't know if fishing over here is gonna be the trick. I mean, there's a little deep spot there, but it's not very deep. Yeah, I don't know about this, guys. Looks to be a little bit, maybe a little bit too shallow. Oh wow, I don't know if those are dogs or wolf, but holy cow, there's some big monster prints. Okay, continuing on. Let's see if we can go find my lure. I know it was on a tree. I know it was on one of these trees, but I can't remember which tree. I do remember that tree over there. So I do remember that. around here somewhere. I remember maybe it was on one of these. I'm sure somebody probably found it. You know what? Actually, no, it was further up here. I know exactly where it was. But the question is, just trying to get across this river. So let me see if I can get across, guys, and I'll get back to you in a second. All right, this is some sketchy stuff. Let's see, how can I get across? Badger, get over here, bud. Get over here. Probably shouldn't be doing this with full hands. Yeah, that is super slick. So we're gonna go here to here. Come on, come on. I don't know if Badger's gonna be able to get across. Let's see if he can get across, hopefully. Come on, Bubba. Okay, so from here to there, oh man. That's freaking slick. That's probably gonna be slick. Jumping across might not be a smart idea, guys. I mean, these logs are slick. Woo! Yeah, I don't know about this, guys. We might have to, I mean, we could walk across that bridge and there's some rocks there that we might get across, or we're gonna have to backtrack. So I'll get you guys when we get there. Woo! 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 Whoa! Oh gosh! Oh, that's so slick! Oh, that's dangerous. Nope. Nope. It's not smart. Not smart. Not smart. Oh. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna get across. I don't know how I'm gonna get across without getting wet. Maybe I'll walk up a little further up. There's gotta be a place I can cross. Problem is, guys, these logs are so dang slick. I see that spot. I see that spot right there. Will be the only place I can see to cross. But the problem is, it's going from here to there. As soon as I get on that log, if I get on that log, I'll be fine. I got everything squared away. Now I got my hands free. Just gotta make sure Badger can get across. Ooh, gotta make sure we don't step in a hole. Not falling. Can't fall through the crevice, so I use the crevice as a holder. Now this, oh, did you fall in? Oh no, Badger B fell in the water. Oh, Bubba, come here, right here, Bub, come here. Come on, come on, you can do it, come on. He's a little sketch, come on. I don't know if he can get across, guys. We might not be able to do this. I don't want to risk my safety for badger either, but I don't know if this is gonna work out. Sorry guys, it's just not worth the risk. Badger can't get across. The logs are super slippery. I just don't want to take a chance. I mean, I technically could get in the water and get wet. Not a big deal to me, but I'd rather not get wet. So now we're gonna hike back, and we're gonna actually go on the other side of the lake, check it out. We might take a little hike. There's a really cool river stream that comes into the lake with the nice waterfalls and stuff. Might even fish the pools a little bit. Throw on a little tiny hook, a little bit of power bait, and fish them, and see if we have any luck that way. So anyways guys, we'll see you in a few minutes. I got a long hike back, and we'll see you when I get to the truck. Alright guys, so we have not caught anything yet, unfortunately, but we are going to be moving on to a different spot. We're finally at the truck. So we're going to be moving on to a different location. We're going to be trying a river that's coming in on the other side of the lake. See if we have any luck there. If we have no luck there, then we're going to be moving on to a location. I got some ground beef and stuff. We're going to be cooking up on a Coleman grill. If worst case we don't catch a fish or whatnot. So we're going to be moving on from that. So to start out, the damn side of the lake. So next time you see us guys, we're going to be on the other side. Hopefully catch some fish for you guys, and we'll see you on the next section. Hey, Badger, hold on. Hold on. All right, come on. Our spot. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Got my Crocs on. Yes, I got my Crocs. I'm kind of curious to see if there's going to be any possibility of fishing this creek. It all depends on the level. There's some decent pools. You know, I've seen my dad catch some fish out of some small pools before, so. And I heard this, if the trout's gonna be hanging out, they're more likely gonna be hanging out in this area. There's a couple little pools I can see, but we're gonna check out this underneath the bridge. Got to make sure he stays close because we're close to the road. Come here, come on. Let's check this out. Ooh, there's actually it's actually a really good pool down there, guys. You can see there's an amazing pool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down there and try to fish that. So I'll see you guys in a minute when we get down there. I should have worn my boots, guys. I didn't realize how steep this was gonna be. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Problem is I love these shoes, but they don't have grip worth the crap. All right, I think we're good. All right, I think we're good. All right, so I need to actually gonna switch out for a smaller weight and a little less hook, and we'll see what we can do. Let's see if we can catch a fish out of these pools. Guys, we are rigged up, ready with a single split shot. Single split shot and some power bait. We're going to try to sneak up on this if we can. Nothing. Let's go and try the next location. Guys, well, unfortunately, I'm out here on the flat. It is just way too shallow to fish. So, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and walk back to the truck. We have a decent walk to do. My battery's getting at 37%. I'm gonna have to probably record the cooking segment on my GoPro 8. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna save my battery, and I'll see you when I see you again. I'll be somewhere getting that Coleman grill going, and hopefully we'll be able to cook up some patties. But we're gonna be out here again at this lake on the boat, which is a whole different ball game. We know pretty much the depth of the fish. I don't want to tell you that, then we don't catch any fish, but on the trip with the boat, it should be a little bit better, and hopefully we'll get some more catching going on. This lake has been known to not really do good on the shore. I've never really done good on this shore. Even when we lived up in this lake, I've never really done good with the shore. Well, that's pretty cool. Check this out, guys. There's little freshwater snails. Freshwater snails. Anyways, so we'll see you at the truck, and we'll see you when we get set up to go cooking. Anyways, see you guys in a little bit. Alright. This looks like a pretty decent spot. What do you think, Badger? Think we should cook here? Huh? Yeah? Nice scene. Alright, well, we're gonna get out and start cooking. Okay. Hands are pretty dirty, but oh well. Life of a fisherman, right? Or camper. What I need to do is actually pull this off. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just getting the ground beef, and I'm kind of making it kind of into a patty. Add a little smoked paprika. A little brown bourbon sugar. Little brown bourbon sugar. El Montreal. That's gonna have enough salt content. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little patty. Gotta do this quick. I'm gonna ball it up into a patty. Pan grill. Got to get that nice and hot. Got to make sure we cook one for Badger too. Badger's gonna get a basic one. Oh, can't forget. Almost forgot an ingredient. You know, and I'm gonna cook Badgers first. Badger, come here. I'm gonna cook Badgers up. Probably gonna run out of battery, guys, and if I do, I apologize. Gotta let it cool off. Right. A little butter. Grab a decent amount of butter and put that in the thing. Sizzle melted butter. cook for a second. Not released yet, so you're gonna let it cook. I do have it pretty high. I can turn it down just a little bit. Your treat's almost ready. Your treat's almost ready, Bubba. You ready for your treat? You gotta let it cool off. Let it cool off for a minute, Bubba. You having a good time, buds? Yeah? Here, I can give you this at least. Here. Look at that. Oh, it says, sit. You gonna speak? I love you. You gonna speak? I love you. Say it. I love you. You gonna speak? No? Easy. Good boy. Oh, is that good stuff? Alright, so on to the burger. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, look at that. All that melted butter. And then what you can do is you got a spoon, you get that butter. And I deeply apologize about the other GoPro going out. I must have left it on when I was on the drive over here and didn't realize it. So I apologize about that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just sitting here enjoying the wilderness. Got a really scenic view behind us. Nice little spot right off the road. Truck is right up there. So yeah, just found a nice little picnic table out next to the lake. Cooking my hamburgers, even though I don't have a bun, but that's okay. All right, Badger, you ready for your treats? You ready for your treats? Sit. Good boy. Wait. 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 No, but sit back. Sit. You know the rules. Wait. Okay. I know that was stupid, guys. I know. Usually when we go camping, it's usually just all go. Usually when we're out and about at home, I try to make him to where he waits. I don't really like him grabbing the food like right when I put it down. They're mighty fine there, guys. They're mighty fine. No, I can't get too close. It doesn't want to focus, but yeah, it smells good. Like that butter. Yeah, buddy. Gotta move my plate over there. It's a little angled. So I'm definitely gonna have enough battery, guys. What an absolute beautiful, beautiful day, though. I mean, it has just been an absolute gorgeous day. I mean, I cannot complain. I'm totally happy with what I did today. Went on actually quite a bit of walking. Actually, we covered a lot of ground today. So it is ready for chili, which of course I'm not going to be able to eat all of it, but oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. I think I put it in a little too hot, but it's okay. It's gonna have the flavor of the hamburger and stuff in it too. What I'm gonna do is move the hamburger to the side, warm up the chili by itself. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, so my food is ready, my food is done. It has been a great day today out at the lake and enjoying the day with my boy. Badger Bees underneath the Taylor, he's wiped out guys, he's done for the day. So we're gonna try this out and see how. Make sure it's done, it is done. So we're gonna try this. Now that is good. Alright guys, well I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my meal, enjoy the scenery, and then I'm gonna head home. Stay tuned, we're gonna be planning another fishing trip this week on the boat. We're gonna be doing some trout trolling and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully enjoy the content today, hopefully enjoy the video, hopefully enjoy the adventure we had today. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up and finish eating and we're gonna head home. So anyways guys, adventurers, thank you again if you tuned in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, helps us out, keeps us motivated, keeps us doing trips like this, and keeps you guys going with us. And by the way, I'm uncut and raw. If you haven't noticed, I do cutting and stuff, like cutting videos, but I want to be me, you know? So this is what I want to start doing. So any like and subscribe is helpful. But anyways guys, hopefully you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.
Hey guys, if you watched this video, I just wanted to take this time to say thank you, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot. But anyways guys, hopefully see you on the next adventure. Peace out. Deuces.